Hi everyone, this is my SHEIN haul. It arrived within 6 days. I was so happy with that. Really fast delivery. I'm just quickly showing you here what I got on my order. I'll go into detail in a little bit. So I'll just let you watch this little bit and then I'll be back. First up is some sticky patterned paper. I'm not sure what you call it, but I actually done it on my desk, which I'll show you at the end. This liquid dispenser is huge, absolutely. You can twist it and then you can twist it back and it locks. Brilliant. These are little neon butterflies. It said on the website that they glow in the dark. I don't know whether I've got to charge them up because sometimes you do. Then next is some little sunflowers, I want to call them. Here's some foils. Trying to open the packet. Some beautiful butterfly ones, and the background's clear, so they're quite nice. These are marbles. Just opening them again. Yeah, I mainly got it for this one here. I love blue, which you probably know that by now. Just some makeup sponges, but I'm going to be using for ombres. And some stamping plates. I haven't used many stamping plates, so I wanted to get a few. Didn't realise until I got them all that a lot of them were like leafy designs, but hey ho. A nice little butterfly there. Scraper and a clear stamper, so you can see your design through it, easy enough. Here's just a few more stamping plates. These have got like more different, these are leaves. I'm not very good with nail art just yet, but yeah. It's always nice to have a little help in hand, if you can call it that. You have to excuse me, I've got a cold. Oh, these ones are roses and flowers. That one's nice. I can't wait to use these. Some more leaves. And onto some nail art pens. I think these are so pretty. Gotta love glitter stuff, haven't you? And now some butterfly water decals. I didn't realise I ordered so many leaf designs and butterfly designs until I received it. I think everybody goes through that, don't they? Yeah, my dad brought a cold home, so now me and Mum have suffered with it. I haven't had a cold for well over a year. Now this little flamingo, you put some blue tack on the head, and then you can attach your tip to it, which I'll show you in a second. Like that. There you go. So cute. Now this brush, dusting brush, I thought it would have been bigger than this, which I'll show you now with my other one that I've got. But it'll do. Can't complain really at the price. I think I paid around about £30 for all this. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye now.